Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll begin a new series on vegetable side dishes suitable for both rice or chapati. So the first recipe we begin with a pumpkin bhartha or pumpkin sabji. Here I have a small red pumpkin. So first we'll peel and then grate it. Remove the seeds and central portion like this. Now grate this peeled pumpkin. We have grated the pumpkin. Kadai, take about 2 spoons of oil, add some mustard seeds, add 2 green chillies chopped. Now add in this grated yellow pumpkin. Next add some turmeric powder. This is Kashmiri chilli powder, so it is not very spicy. And salt to taste. Mix everything well together. Reduce the flame. Cover it and cook it till done. Don't add any water, just let it cook in its own steam. This will get cooked very fast, so just 5 minutes you open it. See, it is well cooked, perfectly done. Now I am adding some fresh grated coconut on top. Mix it all well together. Now you can switch off the stove. Finally, just add some fresh coriander leaves on top and your very tasty pumpkin bhartha or pumpkin sabji is ready. Perfectly done pumpkin side dish is ready. You can enjoy it both with rice as well as with chapati. It tastes really good. We have made a very tasty sabji using our locally available desi vegetables. This pumpkin is available through the year also. Not only that, it has got immense health benefits, very high in vitamin A, vitamin C too, and also it's full of antioxidants to improve your immunity also. So definitely include it in your daily diet. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.